He got me a computer when I turned 7. He always is on my side when some fight or something happens. And I love him because he's the best in the world. He struggles for us and makes money, and we can do whatever we want, but in a limit. That's why my dad is special. When we say something to order, he orders it, and he takes me and gives me many surprises. He always makes me laugh when I am very sad, and whenever my mother scolds me, that also time my dad be at my side. Whenever fight happens with my friends, or whenever I feel down when I'm feeling down of my society, then my father always tells me to go back down again and forget all about the sadness. Basically, he gets me home from him because if I don't know how to walk on the footpath because the footpaths are not right. In my last birthday, my father bought me a cricket kit when I needed to practice with season ball. He is always very funny and hardly shouts at me because he loves me too much and he plays with me jokes and he does musty with me too. In the last birthday, my father brought me a car. He gets me scooter and he get me a basketball. He is very funny and makes me laugh when I'm sad. Because he always plays with me, he gets me whatever I want, and he's very funny. He cares about us a lot, and he gives me whatever I want, and he loves us a lot.
What is the one thing you love doing with your papa again and again?
Playing cards with my father and my mother. Eating mango. Playing cricket. He is a runner. He's not famous, but he runs in marathons. So sometimes when he's going for practice running in garden, sometimes he takes me along with him to play cricket because my hobby is to play cricket. I like tickling him because it's very fun and he laughs a lot. Doing a backflip on him, we call it tickle monster. So there he has to tickle me and I have to try and run away. Otherwise he takes me in a tight grip and I have to try and get out. Playing cards with him like Uno or some other board game, or just playing randomly with my soft toys and him. When he took us to Vietnam and we went to this hotel and we went to a beach and we went in the water.
Any memory that you would like to share with your dad?
Yeah, he took me on a vacation which I didn't even know to Dapoli. I went to the beach and that was the first time I had Maggie. I played in the water and I didn't know there was a beach there, so I didn't take any stuff to make sandcastles or something. So I made it by my hands. Some days before, my little brother Samay, he was doing a lot of musty which was making me, my mother and my father get hurt. So my father just hold him and just make him laugh and that made me also laugh. Then all of them. The baddest thing about my little brother is when he cries in the night, leaving me, all of them just gets up because he is crying. When I make a wicked pup, my father gives me a last chance. When I go to the mall and I needed to eat pizza, so my father brought me that. One day when I was 2-3 years, that time he took me to a resort that I didn't remember. And there was a pool that my father's, now it would be reaching the food. That was such a small pool, and I was such small that I loved playing in the pool. And I loved the bedroom. Then in Hong Kong, we went to Disneyland. There we had a lot of fun. And then we went to Dubai as well, and we stayed in like a house. That was also very fun, but I was small at that time.
My best memory is not one time where on my birthday I didn't know, and on my birthday he took me to a hotel which I always wanted to go. It had a big swimming pool, and my mother was packing, and when I asked her what is she packing, then she didn't reply. She just said nothing, baby, you can go and play. So then I played, and then when my father told me about that, I was so happy.
That sometimes he makes funny faces too. Nothing. I don't hide anything from Papa. And what is not of my age, he hides from me. But what is my age and below my age, he never hides with me. I love you. I love you. I love you. I need to say Happy Father's Day because if I didn't say it, my father will get sad. He is the best dad, and I always love him. I love you, Papa. Thank you, Father, to bring me a cricket kit when I needed to practice the season ball. I love you a lot and Happy Father's Day. I love you, Papa, and Happy Father's Day.
I love him.
Daddy, he's the best father in the whole wide world. And I love you. Happy Father's Day!